Our top 5 best garden hose. One number product. NGreen flexible and expandable garden hose pipe. NGreen is a brand dedicated to tools development. We pay attention to making great quality and practical gardening products for customers. Enjoy your happy gardening life with our lightweight and flexible garden hose. Retractable and expandable, ease of use and storage. Expanding quickly to 3 times once it up enough water pressure, and returning to original length while water flows out. 2 number product. Ottoman Eva Recoil Garden Hose 25 feet pipe. Garden coil hose is made of lightweight, yet strong and durable premium Eva materials. This heavy-duty garden water hose attaches to any standard garden water faucet and features a unique coiled design that reaches as far as 25 feet when fully extended and coils back to its original compact size for easy and convenient storage. For an unbeatable value and added convenience, this water hose comes with a pressure-adjustable spray nozzle with 7 selectable watering patterns, suitable for different types of applications. 3 number product. Giraffe Hybrid Garden Hose 25 feet pipe. Its super strong flexible hybrid polymer material is abrasion resistant. This hose has been tested rigorously to confirm burst strength and durable. Other hoses are easier broken than ours. Giraffe hose owns longer life. Full interface nickel plating effectively prevents corrosion or wear, for a longer service life. 3/4 large diameter connection for full and unobstructed water flow. Clear and standard threads, female in with the washer to eliminate water leakage troubles. 4 number product. Camco TastePURE Drinking Water Hose Pipe. Camco's TastePURE 25x5/8 ID drinking water hoses are reinforced for maximum kink resistance. Especially useful when hooked with a Y valve to your main faucet. Made with NSF certified hose, drinking water safe. Hose is made of PVC and is BPA free. CSA low lead content certified. Complies with California's ABA 1953 and Vermont Act 193 low lead laws. 5 number product. Gilmour Pro Commercial Hose 100 pipe. Double reinforced rubber and vinyl construction for the ultimate in strength and durability. It has 400 psi burst strength for guaranteed long life. Heavy-duty metal coupling with O-ring for a tight durable seal. 100 feet lifetime warranty. 3/4 dia. With metal spring cover to prevent kinks. Gilmour's commercial rubber vinyl hose is industrial strength for commercial use and features 6-ply construction with 500 pounds per square inch burst strength. Thanks for watching this video.